heading into Hell's Revenge, as you can probably tell. We were going after a rig out by Tip Over Challenge. They broke an axle shaft last night. We came in this morning and we had an axle shaft. We had to modify it a little bit, make it work for them. Send them out here with it, and they're having trouble getting the bearing race out of the axle tube. So we're gonna run out here and get the bearing race out, get the axle installed so they can drive out of here. That's the plan. Got Sean with me today. BS. The buggy does. The buggy does Tip Over Challenge and two-wheel drive.
We're too lazy to lock the hubs in.
Yep. Hi guys. What's up? Yeah, I'm like, where's he at?
He gotta be right here somewhere.
We're going to heat shrink it.
Heat shrink it.
For a second. Well, so there was that. We got the seal out. No, we got the race out.
The race.
Got the race out. They're gonna do the work and get it together and get it driving and bring it down to the shop here in a bit. Settle up. So what should have been a half-hour job turned into an hour job, mostly because we went the wrong way and didn't ask for directions. Here we go. Headed back to the shop for our next adventure. Okay, so I got Sean with me. We're in the JK. And we're about to go deliver the most expensive power steering fluid you've ever seen by the time we deliver it. and charge for delivering it to the creek crossings below Hamburger Hill. It's going to be very expensive power steering fluid.
You repping CarQuest today?
Yeah, I am.
Where's that GM equivalent?
It's hiding in the back. Need some AC Delco
When you first
power steering for it.
entrance,
Let's go on a walk.
and it's a shame.
You going on a walk?
So when we're harassing parts people and saying that they can't find the stuff they need, this is who we're talking about.
This guy.
Yeah, I'm just a little kid.
I didn't. That's your words.
That's your word.
Yeah, your words.
But this is the only thing different that I have.
That should do it. GM, yeah, right here.
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
Get out of here. What were you doing?
You'd be on YouTube.
See, when we need the right parts, that's when we get Jessica on it.
Yes.
She knows.
Just a baby.
Just a baby.
I'll take 3 of them.
Okay.
Buggy would have been prime for this one.
Yeah.
Oh, there went the paint job.
There goes the paint.
I just gotta remember to paint the rock sliders.
Oh, there goes the bumper.
Who needs a side by side, really?
Everybody.
Well, I mean, yeah. Not too bad.
We got oil.
That's how my day's going. That's how my day's going.
Oh, you're rubbing off on us.
We just got here.
There it is.
Should be it, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Right here on these, or the little reservoir thing. So I should just be able to fill it up. I should at least have.
Go ahead and turn back and forth. Okay, go ahead. At least he's got hydro assist.
Nice.
Yeah, we're wheeling with the same size tires with no hydro assist on the
Awesome.
junkest steering box ever made in the history of steering boxes. But hey, she's
Old
holding
trusty.
together. Yeah, old trusty. This is where one time Sean tried to fall off the cliff and drag me with him.
Holy shit.
we were. The two most expensive quarts of power steering fluid ever. Sometimes it's just the simplest thing. His power steering hose broke. He had a gauge in there and it broke, and so he bypassed that. He just didn't have the fluid and didn't want to drive out and burn up a pump. And even he admitted, you know, he usually carries fluid, he just didn't at this time. So such is the way. Well, thanks to Sean for running the camera and sweating to death and running around, and thanks to you guys for watching.
Peace. Rory getting some fluids in him.
Hydrated, stay hydrated. This is not brought to you by Vitamin Water, but we wouldn't mind it if Vitamin Water would like to maybe talk about that.
Hey, what's up, Vitamin Water? How you doing today? Can't find him, grind him.